So taking the central portion of the chin as a landmark, from below the ear, along the jawline, from the chin, following the jaw and below. The neck crease basically is the landmark here. Keeping the neck crease as a landmark. The central portion of the larynx, this is a no treatment zone. From the corner angle of mouth to the tragus. So this is our chin, the jaw area. Staying 1 centimeter outside the nasolabial fold. 1 centimeter outside the nasolabial fold is the nasal area here. Along the eye and reaching the prominence here. Along the eye, reaching the prominence here. In the temple, this is a no-go zone. So no treatment zone here again. The area which you see here, this again is a no-go zone, is the forehead. So now if you see, we can divide this. Now what we have is the neck area, we have the chin area, we have the jowls, the nasolabial folds, cheeks, under eye area, the temples, the forehead. This area should be fired with 1.5 mm or below. So we are done with the HIFU procedures. On the neck region, we have used 1.5 mm probes. Then on the chin region, we have used 4.5 mm. On the jowls, we have done first with 4.5, followed by 3 mm, followed by 1.5 mm. We not only want to reduce this area in terms of the bulkiness, but also we want to increase the skin tightness. Apart from that, we want to have a little lift on the jowl area. The chin area is a no-go zone, but you can use on the no-go zone, like on the trachea or on the chin, you can use 1.5 or less than 1.5. On the cheeks, we have used 1.5 again, and so on the forehead 1.5, but on the side forehead basically we have used the 2. Under eye we have used 2 also, and so on. So this way we are done with the procedure of HIFU on the face.